Magandang buhay sa lahat. Enrique Hill, inamin, na may nakakaabang na movie, na ginagawa na. Talagang wala nang, makakapidyo pa, sa pagbabalik telebisyon, ni Enrique Hill. Nakapag-decide na nga si Enrique Hill, sa takbo, ng kanyang karera. Kahit pa man busy si Ken, hindi niya pa din iniiwan. At pinapabayaan, ang kanyang Mommy Bambi. Si Mommy Bambi, ang isang dahilan noon, kung bakit nawala, ng ilang taon, si Enrique, sa limelight. Bumawi ang aktor, sa kanyang ina. Ibang-iba si Enrique sa lahat. While most guys, his age prioritize, independence, and friends. Ken is really different. Enrique chooses to stay close, to his Mommy Bambi. Valuing her, in every decision. If that makes him, a mama's boy. He wears it, with pride. After all, a man, who loves dearly, and respects, his mother, will treat his woman, the same way. Tama, ito ang katangian, ni Enrique Hill, na iba sa lahat. Masasabi natin, he is really perfect. Swerte naman, ng magiging wife-to-be, ni Enrique. Sana one day, makita na natin si Ken, na may ihinaharap na, sa altar. At sana, ang babaeng ito, ay ang babaeng minahal, at mamahalin ni Enrique, no matter what. At sana ito din, ang babaeng, kaya siyang mahalin na walang pag-alinlangan. Enrique Hill, deserve love, and happiness.
If you're someone who needs to hear this, take a breath. For those who put others first when their own world's a mess. For anyone who feels like they're near the end.